You know, Jesus said to the Pharisees of his day that they were whited sepulchres, but inside they were rotting bones of death. No wonder the Pharisees didn't like him. He called them all kinds of names. You read the 23rd chapter of Matthew. He said, on the outside, you look beautiful, you look fine, you're religious. You look like you're going to heaven, but I can see inside your heart. I see your pride, I see your lust, I see your hypocrisy. And God knows all the secret things, and God looks down inside of you, and he says to you, Mr. Baptist and Mr. Methodist and Mr. Assembly of God, or whoever you may be, I see you, and what I see indicates that your heart is full of rebellion. You need forgiveness. You need to be cleansed by the blood of Jesus.